Alright, good afternoon, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday. Remember that last week I asked you to use the pause button whenever you forgot something. So use the pause button to stop. You can also go back. We were talking about two conjunctions. Can you say the conjunctions before I show them to you? One conjunction started with the word be, and that word is because. If you said because, you are correct. The second conjunction started with the word W, and that one was when. So we have the pause button, and we have our two conjunctions, because and when. So today you're going to need some materials again. Let's go over the materials. One, you're going to need sentence strips. Today you're going to need 3 sentence strips. Sentence strips, you need a bag of crayons, and you will also need... I think that's it. You have your headphones on your computer. So you're going to get ready to write down your first sentence. Once I say the sentence, I want you to say the sentence as well. So I'll say echo, and then you repeat the sentence. So let's go ahead, and I want you to read and write down number 1. So I left that blank in the beginning right here. And I left it blank because I want you to decide which conjunction goes best. So let's see here. The first one is blank. Iguana was annoyed. He put sticks in his ears and went away. Now let me just go over the colors with you. So the first color for the conjunction is brown right here. And then here for the name, this is black. The action will be in red, was annoyed. Then I went black again. And then this is another action. He put, so it's in red, and then sticks in his ears and went away. Okay, now we're going to say it, and you're going to echo it. So the conjunction I'm going to put here is going to be because. So I'm going to put the conjunction here because, but I'm going to put it with a capital B when I write it down. So because Iguana was annoyed, he put sticks in his ears and went away. Echo, please. Go. Perfect. Now that you've echoed that, can you write this down on your own sentence strip? You might need to pause to do this part right now. Remember the colors. If you forgot what colors they are black, red, and then once you are done with it, we're going to do something else. So go ahead and copy that down with the conjunction because, but don't forget to put a capital B and a period at the end of your sentence. Okay, so I'm going to put that up here, and put it right there. Okay, so there's our first sentence. Let me move this up a little bit. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, if you can't see that, then you're going to have to go back to the part where I read the sentence. Alright, here's the next sentence. Number 2. You can write a small number 2 just like I did on mine. You see that right there? I put a small number 2. Alright, here's my next one. It starts right here. I say, you say, Iguana put sticks in his ears and went away, blank, he was annoyed. So think about what conjunction fits there. If you said the conjunction that best fits there is the conjunction because, you are correct. So let's read that. Now you're going to echo. Iguana put sticks in his ears and went away because he was annoyed. Echo. Okay, when you echo, remember to pause so that you have enough time to repeat the sentence. When you write the conjunction because, you're going to put it inside of the box. So this is sentence number 2. You might have to pause so that you have enough time to copy the sentence down. I'm going to go ahead and put it up here. I have 2 so far. Alright, I'm going to move on to sentence number 3. Remember that I am walking around at this time with my phone, and I'm giving you a score of a 1, a 2, or a 3 if I'm hearing you use the language. So here is number 3. Iguana didn't hear Python when he walked... Oh, I've skipped the conjunction. Iguana didn't hear Python, blank, he walked away with sticks in his ears. If you thought that either conjunction works here, let's see if the conjunction when fits in here. Okay. Iguana didn't hear Python when he walked away with sticks in his ears. I forgot an S here, so there should be an S with sticks in his ears. If you thought when is correct, you are correct. It could actually be either one of them. You can choose to do when, or you can do because. Let's read it with because. Iguana didn't hear Python because he walked away with sticks in his ears. Okay, copy that down. Pause it here if you need to. Don't forget to pause and echo the sentence so that I can hear you out loud and give you your grade. Alright, this was sentence number 3 if you are following along with me. Remember, for the verbs, I'm always using the color red. For the names, I'm using black. And for the conjunctions, I'm using brown. Don't forget to pause if you need to hear something again or if I'm going a little bit too fast. Alright, we have 1, 2, and 3. That means that next is sentence number 4. Ooh, this one has the conjunction in the beginning. So this is the first one that we have like this. So I'm going to try to read it both ways. First I'm going to try it with because. Okay. Because Python was afraid, Iguana wanted to play a trick on him. He went to hide. I don't know. I'm going to try when. I think that one's going to sound a little bit better. Let's see. What does that sound like? When Python was afraid, Iguana wanted to play a trick on him. He went to hide. Actually, now that I read both of them, I'm going to go with because. Because is the better conjunction to use here. Just make sure that you change this to a capital B because it's the first word of a sentence. So this time I want you to echo it. Because Python was afraid, Iguana wanted to play a trick on him. He went to hide. Echo. Every time you echo, make sure you hit pause. And I'm going to go ahead and put this one up there. You should be copying these down. Go ahead, and this is your 4th one if you're following along with me. And this one was the first one that had the conjunction in the beginning. All of the other ones had the... Oh, actually, I'm wrong. This one had a conjunction in the beginning as well. All right, my next one is number 5 if you're keeping up with me. So here is today's number 5. Monkey panicked. Blank, he heard crow warning the forest. This time I'm going to let you pick the conjunction. When you echo, I want you to try with both conjunctions and see which one you want to keep. You want to keep when or because. Here we go. Monkey panicked. Blank, he heard crow warning the forest. Pause right now and echo. Perfect. Remember, I'm walking around to give you a grade. Decide if you're going to use because or if you're going to use when. Alright, that was my 5th one. Make sure you are at 5. And I know you said you were only going to need sentence strips, 3 sentence strips. That's because I want you to write smaller today. And I want you to put 1 on top like I have here. And then 1 on the bottom right there. You can fit 2 per sentence strip. Alright, my last one is blank, Mother Owl was sad. She didn't wake the sun. Blank, Mother Owl was sad. She didn't wake the sun. Okay, repeat. When you repeat, I want you to repeat with the conjunction when or because, and I want you to decide which one is correct. So as I'm walking around, I'm going to be listening to people sounding out the conjunctions. Sounding out the sentences with both conjunctions, and then you guys will decide which one you're going to keep. So let's see. We should have at the end, when you're done, you should have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences. Remember, the 3 colors you are using are black, brown for the conjunctions, red for the action or the verb phrases. And if you want to make these like I did so you can move them around, you can go get an index card from the back where the materials are, and you can use these to place them around to see which one fits better, if it's because or if it's when. And as well, don't forget to hit the pause button because I will be coming around to listen for your sentences. Alright, and when you finish that, I want you to figure out which one is the cause and which one is the effect. Let's do the first one together. Because Iguana was annoyed, he put sticks in his ears and went away. What's my cause there? What made him put sticks in his ears? That's my effect. He put sticks in his ears, so I'm gonna cause and effect. Iguana was annoyed. That's my cause. I'm gonna box in the cause, box it in, and underline the effect. Because he was annoyed, he put sticks in his ears. This is my effect. Box in the cause, underline the effect. Do that in this color, green. All right, nice job. Make sure you're saying your sentences out loud because I'm coming around to listen for them.